Hello guys, today we are going to learn the lesson name called Our Earth from 9th class textbook lesson 1. The earth is a living place where we all of us live. The earth has scientific names. There are 3 scientific names. The first one Avani, the second one Bhumi, and the third one is Dharani. In solar system there are totally 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. And the Pluto was removed because it was so small. Now we are going to discuss about what is solar system. Solar system, the sun, its planets and all the objects moving around them collectively are called solar system. Means where the sun and all the planets rotates collectively are called solar system. The solar system is entirely dependent on sun and the only one which is self-luminous, which has its own light. Means the solar system is entirely dependent on the sun. Means the sun has self-luminous and it has its own light. Rest of the planets reflect the light received from the sun. Remaining planets reflect the light which has been received from the sun. In solar system there are 8 planets. The first one Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, and the last 8th one is Neptune. This is the quiz about the planets of the solar system. Here there are totally 8 questions. 4 questions are horizontally and 4 questions are vertical. Now first let us see the horizontal questions. It has living things. First one, it has living things. Second one, it is very cold. Third one, it is the biggest planet. It has vertically questions. It is a red planet. Second one, it is far from the sun. It is very hot. It is very near to the sun. Okay guys, now let us see the answers of the questions. Now first we are seeing the horizontal questions. The first question was, it have living things. The earth has the living things. It is very cold. Which planet is very cold? It is Neptune. Neptune is very cold. It is the biggest planet. Which planet is biggest? The biggest planet is Jupiter. It has rings. Which planet has rings around it? It is only the Saturn. It is a red planet. We know that Mars is a red planet. So, red planet means Mars. It is far from the sun. Neptune is very far from the sun. So, the Neptune is the answer. It is very hot. Venus is so hot. It is very near the sun. Mercury is very near to the sun. Now let us discuss about the Earth's rotation. Earth spinning on its own axis is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours or 1 day to make a complete rotation. Means the Earth is taking 24 hours time to complete one rotation. Rotation causes day and night, and the rotation causes day and night. And now the Earth's revolution. A revolution occurs as the Earth moves around the sun. When the revolution occurs when the Earth is moving around the sun. The time for one revolution is 365 days. Here we can see that the 4 seasons, spring, summer and autumn, are the result of revolution movement. Means the seasons are because of the revolution of the Earth. In this picture we can see the rotation versus revolution. Means comparison. It is the comparison between the rotation and the revolution. Now first let us see the rotation. Rotation takes 24 hours or 1 day to rotate. Revolution takes 365 days to revolute. Means rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. Now here we can see the heading called Earth's movement. Here there is questions. The earth moves around its own axis. And the second question is, it takes dash. Third question is, it produces dash. Now here we can see the answers. The rotation, the earth moves around its own axis. It takes dash hours means 24 hours. It produces day and nights. In this picture we can see the three questions. Dash means the earth moves around the sun. And the second question is, it takes dash time. And the third question is, it produces dash. In this slide we can see the answers of the three questions. The first one, revolution means the earth moves around the sun. And the second one is 365 and 1/4 days. And third question answer is seasons. In this slide we can see the comparison. The first, in the rotation we can see the earth moves on and dash. In the second question we can see takes, means the rotation how many hours the earth takes. For what are the causes of rotation, and on the behind of rotation it is revolution. The earth moves in an shape. This is called an dash. Here the second question is, how much time the earth takes to revolve. And the third question is, what is the cause of earth revolutions. In this slide we can see the answers. The earth moves on axis and it takes 24 hours and it causes day and nights. And about revolution, here the earth moves in an elliptical shape. This is called an revolution. The revolution of the earth takes 365 1/4 days and it causes the seasons. And now we are going to discuss about the latitudes. Now let us see latitudes. North Pole, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and the South. And now we are going to discuss about parallels of latitudes. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles, parallels of latitudes are measured in degrees. Means here they are telling that all parallel circles from the equator up to the poles, means all the circles from the equator to the poles on the both south and the north poles are parallels of latitude or measured in degrees. All latitudes above equator are northern latitudes, while below equator is southern latitudes. Some important parallels are latitudes. Parallels are also called as latitudes. The northern latitudes are North Pole, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, and the middle is called equator, and the south latitudes are Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, and the South Pole. In this slide we are going to learn about the longitude. Lines of longitude run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Means here lines of longitudes are the vertical direction. It is North Pole to South Pole. The lines also called as meridians. They are measured in degrees 0 to 180 east and degrees 0 to 180 west. 0 degree is found in Greenwich, England. This line is also called as the prime meridian. Means the 0 degree is in Greenwich in England. This is also called as the prime meridian line. Here in this slide we are going to learn about the layers of the earth. The earth has 3 layers. The first one is mantle, core, and the crust. Now we are going to learn about the mantle. The earth is made up of 3 layers. Mantle. This layer is between the core and the crust. Core. This layer is in the center of the earth. And the last one, crust. The crust is the outer layer where all plants and animals live.